Stefanos Tsitsipas and Kyrgios have to pay the Wimbledon piper. The two tennis stars will both be fined after their heated match on Saturday, in which Kyrgios came out the victor. Tsitsipas will have to pay $10,000, while Kryigios was fined $4,000. Tsitsipas' fine came from unsportsmanlike conduct, which stemmed from 2 stern warnings of ball abuse from the match's chair umpire Damien Dumusois. Footage showed Tsitipas hitting a ball toward fans during Saturday's match, which made Kyrgios make him want to be defaulted. Kyrgios reportedly called Dumusois an obscenity and asked, "Are you dumb?" to the chair umpire, which led him to be fined. He's been fined before while playing at Wimbledon for spitting in the direction of a fan. Tsitsipas called Kyrgios a bully following the match for his antics towards Dumusois. In response, Kyrgios called Tsitsipas soft. Kyrgios will face Brandon Nakashima Monday in Wimbledon's round of 16. With Post Wires.